What? You get the gist. I'm gonna pass this class, only got 3 C's this semester. I'm lying, truly I'm dying, it's a frickin' nightmare. I went to Corla because of my lack of understanding. She's like,
it's because of your surplus of poor planning.
And I responded by saying that was a fair assumption to make at that given point in time. I got nothing else to say here, but I might as well just make it rhyme. Some properties are pretty neat, acoustics are just the study, pitch can't measure the quality that dies down when you're elderly. I don't really get refractions, but I will mention them just in case. Oh, and if you're super curious, you want to hear explosion sounds like in space? I couldn't even make this stuff up. Loudness is subjective, while intensity really can be measured. When you tune something you hear for the beats, they're not hard to decipher. Constructive interference is just what they do to speakers. It makes things louder to the ear, and destructive makes it hard to hear. Light is something new, yeah, light differs from pastels. Don't believe me? Go ask your teacher how you go about making yellow. Ask her why the sky is blue, try and tell her that it isn't true. Ask her why the water isn't black inside of the Big Sioux. Rabbits made in very unusually expensive gardens. It sounds like something that you would hear in kindergarten. It's an acronym for the electromagnetic spectrum, and in here we can only see a very small margin. Have you ever wondered what is on the end of a rainbow? Well, if you ask Corla, she will tell you
Nothing, yo.
I'm gonna pass this class, only got 7 C's this semester. I'm lying, truly I'm dying, it's a frickin' nightmare. I'm gonna pass this class, only got 7 C's this semester. I'm lying, truly I'm dying, it's a frickin' nightmare. Now we're on electricity, which happens to lack in simplicity. Electrostatics is pretty easy, the name defines it literally. This chapter begs your ability to remember your chemistry, so I try to remember all of which I once labeled in infamy. If lightning were to strike your car, you wouldn't think you'd be alive. A conductor is the safest place to be if lightning's to arrive. A superconductor is something with infinite conductivity, but it only works in the cold, so that limits accessibility. You know, if I was a physics major, I think that I would make 2 different things, you know, electric potential energy and also electric potential. But see, here's the catch. These 2 things are gonna be so different that you can't even compare them to each other. Why would anyone do this? I think that they're really mocking. Little do they know that I do not find it very shocking, get it? Then again, science is usually the shock factor creators, just like placing your hand on a Van de Graaff generator. Electromagnetism, I'm sure, is loved by Karl Marx. It's the one about current and some very odd bullet marks. An electromagnet is a coil of wire with many loops. The intensity tends to increase when you add even more groups. A series circuit is used when you light up your house at night, and a parallel circuit is used when you turn on your car's headlights.
Physics! Getting F's! Yeah!
I'm gonna pass this class, only got 15 F's this semester. I'm lying, truly I'm dying, it's a frickin' nightmare. I am not complaining, I knew what it would bring. And even if I could, I wouldn't change a single thing. From beginning to the end, I still don't hate this class. And regardless of my thoughts, I think it went so fast. I would have hated it if I'd come in and asked how to understand the things that would kick my ass. I'm gonna pass this class, time to find another one like it elsewhere. I'm kidding, truly I will miss it, it's a frickin' nightmare.